Madai dispute is being heard now by the Honorable Madai Water Dispute Tribunal, and the hearing is going on. Cross-examination of the second witness of the Karnataka is going on presently. Today's hearing, the Honorable Minister for Water Resource Development had also attended. This is perhaps the second time that this Water Resource Development Minister is attending the hearing, and he is one of the first ministers from Goa government to visit this.
उलट तपासणीनं अशें दाखोवन दिलें की सॉलिसिटर जनरल आत्माराम नाडकर्णीन जें काम केलां गोंया खातीर त्या कामाची दखल सरकारान घेवंक जाय आनी सरकारची दखल घेतलो आनी आमकां आशा अशी आसा की आमी ती केस एकदम जिखतले आनी माननीय आमचे आत्माराम नाडकर्णी आसा तांच्या प्रयत्नाचें फळ आमकां बेगीनच पळोवंक मेळटलें अशी हांव आशा बाळगतां.